Hello everybody. The USCIS published something reminding people who are being laid off what are their options. Of course, there are options of transferring, options of going into another visa within 60 days, and we're talking mostly about those people who were terminated while they are on H1, L1, etc. So don't go anywhere, we will talk about that. Please subscribe to our channel. And this is Sharp Raleigh from the Sharp Raleigh Law Group, talking to you about the potential EAD. And this is one of the most interesting one, the compelling EAD. What you have seen, what many people don't know actually, is that there is some kind of there's an EAD, a work permit that is given for people who are in a compelling circumstance, what they call it. Compelling circumstances are circumstances where you have difficulties because you just got laid off or you lost, you will have financial difficulties. We can file what we call those compelling EADs. The good news is that once we file it, it has to be filed before the 60 days expired, the grace period. But once we file it, it will give you a period of authorized stay, which means you can stay in the US. Now, if you want to change to H1B, you will have to move out and come back. But this one, once it gets approval, so you'll get 1 year EAD from the date of the approval. But even if it doesn't get approved, the fact that it is there, it will protect you. You can do the same for your spouse, that means for your wife or your husband, and you can do the same for your children. So please give us a call. Please, if you need help, in order to qualify for that EAD, you need to have number one, an approved I-140. It doesn't matter which company has this approved I-140. And number two, the dates cannot be current. And number three, we need to just file the paperwork accordingly. So we will be here for you if you need any help. Feel free to reach out. Call if you need help, 510-742-5887. I will recommend that you look into that EAD, because that EAD is a very powerful tool now we can use to help you to get out of this mess, because a lot of people are going to find themselves in a situation where they will need time to actually wrap up things or actually get them into another job. And that EAD, while pending, will allow you to do that. And don't forget, we can also do the same for your spouse and for your wife or your children also. So please give us a call, and you will see that USCIS put that on purpose there to remind us that this can be done. And I think they are going to approve a lot of them because of the situation we're having, the economic situation, until things get back on track. So call us if you need help, what we call the compelling EAD. We will be glad to help you. We have done a few of them in the past, and we will be glad to do the same again. And feel free to reach out, 510-742-5887. Anything I told you today is my opinion. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any question. Thank you.